What if one woman could completely change the way you see your money? Meet Money LISA, the rising star, who's flipping the script on personal finance with her game-changing advice and relatable charm. Money LISA is taking the financial world by storm, and for good reason. Her approach to personal finance is refreshingly unique and has helped countless individuals take control of their financial lives. What sets her apart is her ability to break down complex financial concepts into actionable advice that's easy to understand. Her passion for financial literacy is contagious, and it's no wonder she's become a significant figure in the financial world. Her expertise in personal finance is impressive, but it's her down-earth approach that really resonates with her audience. Money LISA's mission is to empower people with the knowledge they need to make informed financial decisions. She's on a quest to make financial literacy accessible to everyone, and her enthusiasm is inspiring. Money LISA's rise to fame is a testament to the impact she is having on people's lives. Her unique approach has struck a chord with many, and her influence is growing rapidly. As we explore her strategies and journey, you'll see why she's becoming a household name in the financial world. With her expertise and passion, Money LISA is an inspiration to anyone looking to improve their financial situation. People today face a multitude of financial challenges, from living paycheck to struggling with debt. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the complexities of personal finance, but Money LISA is here to help. Many of us didn't receive adequate financial education growing up, leaving us to navigate the world of finance on our own. This lack of knowledge can lead to poor financial decisions, which can have long-term consequences. But Money LISA is changing the game by providing accessible and actionable advice. Her guidance on managing finances effectively is invaluable, and her expertise has helped many people avoid common financial pitfalls. Common financial challenges include managing debt, saving for the future, and investing wisely. These issues can be daunting, but Money LISA offers practical solutions and tips to help people overcome them. By sharing her expertise, she's helping people build a stronger financial foundation. It's heartening to see Money LISA making a positive impact on people's financial lives. Her approach is helping people develop healthy financial habits and make informed decisions. By tackling these common financial challenges head-on, Money LISA is empowering people to take control of their financial futures. Money LISA's advice on managing debt is particularly valuable, as it's an issue that affects many people. She provides guidance on creating a budget, prioritizing expenses, and developing a plan to pay off debt. Her expertise in this area has been a game-changer for many. In addition to debt management, Money LISA also offers insights on saving and investing. She stresses the importance of starting early and making consistent efforts to build wealth. Her tips on investing wisely are also helpful, as they provide a roadmap for those looking to grow their wealth over time. By addressing these common financial challenges, Money LISA is helping people achieve financial stability and security. Her impact is being felt by individuals from all walks of life, and her influence is growing rapidly. Her ability to connect with her audience and provide actionable advice has made her a trusted figure in the financial world. Money LISA's strategies for financial success are built around simple yet effective principles. She emphasizes the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing, and provides relatable examples to illustrate her points. For instance, she suggests starting with small, achievable goals, like saving a certain amount each month. She also stresses the importance of being mindful of expenses and making conscious financial decisions. By prioritizing needs over wants, people can make progress towards their financial goals. Money LISA's guidance on creating a budget that works is particularly helpful, as it provides a framework for managing finances effectively. When it comes to investing, Money LISA advises taking a long-term view and being patient. She encourages people to educate themselves on investing and to avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Her approach to financial success is holistic, encompassing not just saving and investing, but also managing debt and building an emergency fund. By following her tips and strategies, people can set themselves up for long-term financial success. Money LISA's use of relatable examples makes her advice more accessible and actionable. She shares stories of people who have successfully implemented her strategies, which helps to inspire and motivate her audience. One of Money LISA's key tips is to automate savings and investments. By setting up automatic transfers, people can make saving and investing a habit, which can lead to long-term financial success. She also emphasizes the importance of avoiding lifestyle inflation, where people increase their spending as their income rises. Instead, she suggests directing excess funds towards savings and investments. By providing actionable advice and inspiring her audience, Money LISA has had a profound impact on people's financial lives. Recently, Money LISA had a major breakthrough when she realized that her teachings were having a ripple effect on her audience's financial literacy. She discovered that people were not only improving their own financial situations, but also sharing her advice with others. This breakthrough was a turning point for Money LISA, as it reinforced the importance of her mission. She realized that her work was not just about providing information, but also about empowering people to make a positive impact on their communities. The ripple effect of Money LISA's teachings is a testament to the power of financial literacy. By sharing her knowledge, she's creating a wave of positive change that's spreading far and wide. Her audience's success stories are a source of inspiration for Money LISA, and they motivate her to continue sharing her expertise. By amplifying her message, she's helping to create a more financially literate society. The impact of Money LISA's teachings extends beyond just her audience. It's also influencing the people they touch. As her audience shares their knowledge with others, the ripple effect grows, creating a snowball effect of financial literacy. Money LISA's breakthrough has shown her that even small actions can add up to make a big difference. By continuing to share her expertise, she's inspiring a new generation of financially literate individuals. Her journey has demonstrated that financial literacy is a gift that keeps on giving. As people become more financially literate, they're better equipped to make informed decisions and achieve their goals. The significance of Money LISA's breakthrough cannot be overstated, as it highlights the potential for financial literacy to transform lives. In summary, Money LISA's journey is a testament to the power of financial literacy. Her unique approach has helped countless individuals take control of their financial lives, and her influence is growing rapidly. The key takeaways from Money LISA's journey are clear. Financial literacy is key. Small actions can add up to make a big difference. By following her advice and tips, people can set themselves up for long-term financial success. Money LISA's mission is inspiring, and her impact is being felt by individuals from all walks of life. Her teachings are a reminder that financial literacy is within reach, and that with the right guidance, anyone can achieve financial stability and security. By embracing Money LISA's teachings, people can take control of their financial futures and build a brighter tomorrow. If you're inspired by Money LISA's journey, share your own financial story in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences and how you've overcome financial challenges. Don't forget to check out more of our videos on financial education, where we dive deeper into topics like budgeting, saving, and investing.